Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the Ncert numericals of chapter 8, that is motion, that are given on page number 100 in Ncert. Okay, I'll start just. A bus is starting from rest. A bus is starting from rest. It means u is equal to 0. Okay, and moves with a uniform acceleration, that is 0.1 meter per second square. It is a. Okay, and time is 2 minutes. u is 0, time is 2 minutes, and acceleration is 0.1 meter per second square. Then you have to find the distance s. Okay, you have to find distance s. You see, there is a difference in units. Here it is second and here it is minutes. So you change time into seconds. So you will get t is equal to, in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, how many seconds? We have to multiply it by 60. Then we will get 120 seconds. Okay, this is the time. 120 second. This is clear? Okay, why we have changed? Because to make the unit same. Now we have to find s. Then you can use the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, s is equal to, for finding s, you can use the formula ut plus half at square. That is the second equation of motion. Then s is equal to u. What is u? Because the object is at rest. The object is at rest, so u is 0. Means 0 into t, it becomes 0. Then plus half, a is what? A is 0.1 into t square, means 120 into 120. Then you will get, you solve it and you will get answer. Okay, again I am telling, wait. You have to find distance, and the formula of distance is what? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, then s is equal to, as you know that u is 0 because the object is at rest, so it becomes 0. 0 into t becomes 0. Then what is left? Half at square, means half, and what is a? A is 0.1 meter per second square, means 0.1 into time. You can see here it is second and here it is minute, so you change it into seconds. 2 minutes means 120 seconds. So 120 2 times t square, 120 into 120. You solve it and you will get answer. Okay, now I am going to solve the second question. Okay, a train is traveled with a speed of 90 km per hour. This is initial speed. Okay, this is u. Then brakes are applied. Sorry, wait. This is u. Then brakes are applied as to produce acceleration of minus 0.5, because speed is decreased, velocity decreases, so you take it negative. Fine, and when you apply brake, then final velocity will be 0. Initial velocity is 90 km per hour. First you change it into meter per second. U is 90, you have to change meter per second. 5 by 18 you have to multiply. Okay, then 18 5s are 90, 5 5s are 25. U is 25, V is 0, and acceleration is minus 0.5. Then what you have to find? Distance. Then you can use the formula 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Again I just explain this. Wait. You have to find distance. Find the distance. The formula will be s is equal to 2as is equal to, wait. You will use the formula 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Okay, then 2 into a is given, this is a, minus 0.5. Okay, then into S is equal to V. V is what? 0, because you apply brake. 0 square minus U. What is U? You change it into meter per second. 5 by 18. Then it becomes 25 meter per second. Okay, then you use the formula. Then you will get your answer. Now the third question. Because I use screen recorder na, so I can't able to use the full screen, so I cannot write everything. That's why I cannot solve it fully. I just put the values and how you can find the values. I just explain this, and after you calculate, you will get your answer. If any problem, then you please ask. Yes, a trolley while going down inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeter per second. What will be its velocity after the start? What will be its velocity after the start? Means initially it was a test 0 centimeter per second. Okay, and V is not given. V you have to find. Okay, V you have to find, and this is time. This is time. 3 seconds is time. This is time, and this is acceleration. Then you have to find V. Then you will use the formula of acceleration. A is equal to V minus U by time. Okay, A is what? A is 2 centimeter square. You put here. Then you will have to find V. Leave it as it is. Okay, and then U is what? U is 4 meter per second square. Again, I just tell. Question number 3. Sorry. Yes, you have to find its velocity after the start. Means you have to use the formula acceleration. Why? What is given? You have to use the formula V minus U upon T. Okay. Then for V, just you multiply AT is equal to V minus U. Then AT plus U is equal to V, or you can simply use the formula V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, you can also use this formula. Yes, now you have to put the values. A is what? This is A, 4 meters, 4 centimeter. This is A, 2 centimeters per second square. And after start, this is U, and you put 3 seconds as time, then you will get your answer. Now the next question is question number 4. A racing car has a uniform acceleration, that is A. What distance will it cover? Means you have to find S after starts. Means U is 0. Okay, then you will use the formula 2AS. 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. 2 you write 2, and for A the value is given. Acceleration is 4 meter per second. You write 4 here. Into S you have to find. Then V is what? Acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after this start? Better if you use the formula S is equal to UT plus half AT square, because time is given here. Okay, so you just use the formula of S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Wait, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, U is what? At start U is 0, then it becomes 0. Then half, you put the value of A, that is 4 meter per second square, into T, time is 10 seconds, so 10 into 10. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 200 is the answer. Okay, now we are going to next question. A stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meter per second square in the downward direction, what will be the height obtained by the stone, and how much time will it take to reach there? A stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction, means like this, with a velocity. So this velocity is U. This is U, 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion, that is A, A is what? 10 meter per second, but 10 meter per second square, but you take it negative, minus 10 meter per second. Why? Because when you throw the stone upward, then the speed or velocity after some time it goes decreased, it decreasing, so you take it negative. Okay, u is 5 meter per second. Okay, this is u, and a is minus 10 meter per second square. What will be the height? You have to find s, and final velocity will be 0. Okay, then you will use the formula 2as is equal to v square minus u square, and you have all the values like 2a, you have a minus 10 meter per second square, s you have to find, v is 0 meter per second, and u is what? 5 meter per second. So you use the formula and you will get your answer. Hope you understand what I taught today. Okay, thank you so much.